Welcome to our channel. This is Married with Popcorn and I'm Rell.
Kelso.
And today we are reacting to trailer 1 and 2 of Chainsaw Man, is what we would like to tell you. However, the trailer 1 was actually corrupted. We do have trailer 2.
Yeah, so what you're about to see is actually going to be our reaction to the second trailer.
Right.
Then we'll be back and to watch the main trailer, which just dropped like a few days ago. So here you go. Dang.
Yeah, for real. 13 years ago. Terrorist attack. Gun. Oh, look at that guy. Oh, so there's multiple devils?
So maybe it's like a population.
I wonder if she's a devil too, because she has the sharp teeth.
Sharp teeth, yeah. Oh no!
Okay, so there are different devils.
Ooh!
Yeah,
I liked how they did that with the string.
Cool, yeah.
Okay. Okay, so he controls it.
Yeah. What was that, blood? She can control like her blood or something?
Yeah, like she made it into a hammer.
Yo.
He came out of nowhere!
Chainsaw Man. I'm definitely,
okay.
Yeah, I'm kind of hype. I'm kind of hype. Yeah, I'm definitely.
So the part with the that orange thing, that cute thing with the thing on his face.
Yeah, like the dog.
Was that, yeah. So now I'm wondering, is that like his pet? Is it like, like
it has to do something. It has to have something.
I wonder if
to
it
do
transforms more, or if that's just it's
like maybe they fuse, or like the thing gave him his powers. I don't know, but I'm definitely here for it.
Gives us a little bit more information.
Right. Yeah. There's multiple devils. There's the gun devil, and I guess the blood devil, the chick with the giant hammer. Yeah.
I wonder if they're like rivalries. Because they.
Well, it sounded. Right? They said that they hunted the devil, so I guess.
Okay. I mean, I guess we'll find out.
Yeah, for real.
Okay. So this is something I can get into.
Yeah.
悪魔が恐れるデビルハンターはな、頭のネジがぶっ飛んでるやつだ。ネジがぶっ飛んでるやつは何を考えてるかわからない。お前たちは人と悪魔どっちの味方だ。
公安に悪魔の駆除要請、公安大麻得意4課6人を出動させます。
俺たちはデビルハンターです。悪魔でも魔人でも使えるもんは何でも使うべきだ。
アキ君はこの新人4人生き残れると思う。
私たち全員ここで死んじゃうんだ。
血は好きじゃん。血は温かくて気持ちがいい。
俺は軽い気持ちでデビルハンターなったけどよ、この生活続けるためだったら死んでもいいぜ。ハッピーで埋め尽くしてレステンペースまで行こうぜ。いつか見た地獄のいいところ愛をばらまいてI love you けなしてくれ全部奪って笑ってくれ My honey Don't ask me like good roster Don't ask me like good roster Don't ask me like good roster なんか忘れちゃってんだ。散々な目ばっかあってよ、我慢しかしてねえのにまだ人の身も捨てねえんだよ。
Okay.
That's what's up.
Yeah.
So the 11th.
A lot of intensity.
Yeah.
With the eyes.
The one girl with the horns.
Yeah.
That
with the hammer, the blood.
Yeah, yeah. She might be the.
Like the main.
She might be my favorite character because like I mean, just the way that she moves and stuff. Like she has that gusto. You know what I'm saying? Like she seems dope. The whole thing seems dope. I'm excited.
So I was wondering if like the cute pet thing was gonna, or the cute chainsaw face thing
Dog,
was
yeah.
his pet, but I guess like you said, it does kind of turn into that as well. So
Right,
maybe, I
right.
guess-
So I saw like he was holding it, and then like I saw the chainsaw on his face, like moving, like actual chainsaw. So I mean, we'll see. Maybe it starts off that way, you know, like it starts off like he has to rely on the dog, and then he gets his devil power, his chainsaw devil power, and then
I wonder.
yeah,
I
or
wonder-
maybe it's the same, you know.
Yeah, I wonder if they're gonna show like, I don't know. I mean, ideally they would show like the origin, right?
Right,
Of, like
yeah.
how that becomes a thing.
Yeah,
Whether
absolutely,
he's becomes that first, or if it's the dog,
Right.
or whatever. But he's cute.
No,
So, I'm
yeah, he's
excited.
definitely cute. Yeah,
I'm so excited because you know me, like I like the cutesy parts, the gore I don't mind, so I appreciate when there's different aspects to a show,
right.
so that I can like become kind of emotionally connected, like emotionally
Yeah.
attached, I should say, to the characters and stuff.
Yeah, that character development really like ties in with, you know, how human they are when they're
Right.
fighting these devils or whatever. Yeah, so I'm definitely excited.
That's coming up soon, so you want to intro it?
Um,
Is what we want to tell you, but
Oh yeah.
it's corrupted. It's not something we can reshoot.
All right, yeah, I'll do that. I'll do that. You ready?
Why did you ask?
You ready?
Yeah.
Ow. Ow.
Welcome.
Brown.
Ow, now, brown cow.
Unique.
Unique. New York. Okay. All right. Good. Ready?
Yeah.
All right. Sorry. You ready?
Yeah.
Where's popcorn?
Nano, but yeah. That's cute, right? Because it's anime. Whoop. We'll do it to the side so that he doesn't. Alright, go
We're
ahead.
just getting out of here.
It's cute because
It's-
it's anime.
It's corny.
Is it?
I mean, it's not terribly corny.
That's fine. Okay.
Like you are able
Okay.
to do it.
Okay.
Go ahead, do it. You see? Go ahead, do it.
You only seem like you doing it.
Yeah.
Don't touch this.
You're not gonna be burping on the gym, are you?
Sorry. Sorry, guys. We have a few shots. You know what I'm saying?
All right.
I don't know. He's just weird.
Yeah, just take it off. It seems like it's
yeah,
trouble.
it's too much. Too much.
Can you see it?
Don't worry about it. It's fine.
It's popcorn, babe. Come on.
We can't put him somewhere that he's gonna be seen all the time. It's fine. We're gonna be.
Okay, it's fine. All right, you ready?
It's fine. It's fine.
All right, you ready?
Yeah.